There's the second wing half finished for the transmitter side, which I'm going to put on the right side. I did a few things differently on this from the first mini Talon and on this wing half over that one. I'll show you. There's the video transmitter in. What I did differently than the first mini Talon is I've gone into the second hole on these control horns rather than the top one. I'm trying to give it a little less travel so that when the auto tune and Ardu Pilot does its thing, hopefully it'll come out with a better tune. And then the other thing I did differently on this half rather than this half is I just used hot glue in this channel for the video transmitter wires because I didn't like the way that epoxy, ready-made RC epoxy looked with that auburn brownish color, whatever it was. Epoxy turns brown when it gets old, but this isn't old. It was just that color from the start. So that one wing half will have that color underneath it, and the other three will look like this. Such be life. So there's the right two wing halves for both airplanes ready to go for the video transmitters in each side. And here's the left two ready to be worked on. I've already glued in the servo wire and the foam on both these wings halves, and also the rods that go inside. I'm a little concerned about how short that was. I just put a little 4-inch extension on it. Maybe I should have put a 5 or 6, but I put the same extension on all 4 of them, so they will be the same. Now on this side, both of these will get a Crossfire Nano Pro receiver, and I'm going to use again the shielded multi-conductor wire. I think this is 7 conductor, just again because it's a small diameter, all bundled together, just easier for me to run from the receiver in the wing to the equipment bay in here. I've also put my carbon fiber rods in the top of these hatches to make them more solid. Got some sanding to do, a little cleanup work on that, and I glued on the wooden ends. Also set aside some more servo extensions for the servo leads on the 4 V-tails, so I can extend them so they'll reach the equipment bays. And I've got the wooden part under here to glue in, and then cut a square here in both fuselages for the GPSs. So we're getting down to it at this point. So there's the little Nano RX Pro getting ready to be soldered to that wire. There's 2 of them there. One's still in the package. So when I get back from my eye surgery today or tomorrow, I will be wiring those up with 6 wires that go from the receiver to the flight controller, and I'll be putting that in those left wing halves. But the reason for this update today, and it coming not on Friday, is I'm going to go get my second cataract surgery done in about 20 minutes. So that will be both eyes, and depending on how I can see, that will let us know how fast I can get back out flying again. But I'm pretty sure tomorrow I'll be soldering up this little receiver and showing how it goes onto the H743 wing version 2. So thank you guys for everything. Just want to let you know what was going on. Yeah, yesterday, Mount Mitchell was 16 degrees when I got up. We had frost warnings, freeze warnings around here. The wind's been kind of high. So anyway, I have to get this eye surgery done before I can do much of anything. So I will go get that done and let you know after that fact. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll catch you later.